Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. And hit that notification bell. Blue's Clues. Blue's cool idea. Hi there. You're just in time. It's so hot today, and Blue and I could really use your help figuring out how to cool off. Will you help us? You will? Great! So what do you think we should do? Get out of the sun. Good thinking. Let's go inside and maybe we can get more ideas for cooling off from some of our friends. Well, it's cooler in here, but it's still pretty hot. I wonder what else we can do to cool off. You have an idea, Blue? Great! What is it? Oh, Blue wants us to play Blue's Clues to figure out a good way to cool off. So we'll look for Blue's paw prints on 3 clues. Are you with me? You are? Great!
Why don't you have something cold to drink, Steve?
You know, cold juice is a smart way to stay cool. I think I'll have some right now. You see a clue? Oh, orange juice is our first clue. Wow, only 2 more clues to go. In the meantime, let's see if we can find some more ways to stay cool. Hi, Slippery Soap. Blue and I are looking for ways to stay cool today. How about you? Hi, Steve. Turquoise and I are playing in a tub full of cold water. It's a great way to cool off. Thanks for the tip, Slip. Maybe Blue and I will join you for a dip. What do you think, Blue? Blue? Do you see where Blue went? Where could Blue have gone? What's that? You wish you knew? Me too. Oh, you see a clue? Where? On the art table. Pop sticks are our second clue. What do you think we can do to cool off using orange juice and pop sticks? Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Yeah, I think we need our 3rd clue before we can figure out the answer to Blue's Clues. Oh, here you are, Blue. Hi, Tickety. What are you doing? Hi, Steve. I was just showing Blue my favorite way to cool off. I'm fanning myself with this paper fan I made. We're looking for ways to cool off too. Could you show us how to make paper fans? Let's see. You fold a paper over and under until it's all folded up like an accordion. Then you hold one end closed and open the other end wide. Hey, I did it! I made a fan. I think I'll wave it back and forth. I feel cooler already. Thanks, Tickety. Look at my great fan, Blue. Blue? Now where did she go? Let's go find her. Oh, hi, felt friends. What are you doing to cool off today? Hi, Steve. We're going to the beach, but we need help choosing what we need to cool off. Can you help us decide what to take? You bet. Have fun. Thanks for helping us get ready for the beach. Hi, Mr. Salt. Hi, Mrs. Pepper. It looks like Paprika is staying cool today.
A nice wet washcloth on her forehead keeps Paprika cool.
You see a paw print? The freezer is a clue. Great job. We have all 3 clues. You know what that means. It's time to go to our thinking chair. Come on. Okay, let's think. How does Blue want to cool off with orange juice, pop sticks, and the freezer? That's it. Blue wants to make frozen juice pops to help us cool down. Great idea, Blue. Let's pop on into the kitchen and make some. Hi, Mr. Salt, Mrs. Pepper, and Paprika. We're going to make frozen juice pops.
We'd be happy to help you.
Great! We can all work together. We need pop sticks, orange juice, and an ice cube tray, and plastic wrap. Now we put the ice cube tray in the freezer until the orange juice freezes. I can't wait for the pops to be ready. We're back. It's been a couple of hours since we put the orange juice in the freezer. Now our juice pops are frozen and ready to eat. Yum! Thank you so much for your help. You're a very cool friend. Smart too. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Blue's Clues stories, check out my Blue's Clues playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. See you next time.